Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech Maybe Unique, and today we're going to see how to see the draft post on your Tumblr application in your mobile phone. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to see the draft post on your Tumblr on your mobile application is going to show. So how to see the saved draft post. So for that, first step, we'll click on the setting option on the top. They just need to have you click on the drafts. Here you can find this, click on this. Now here you can find all the draft posts. So you can just post it. Now you can, it's actually on the quench. So you can just click on the post. So the draft post will be posted. So just click on the setting option, go to the drafts, and your post can be seen here. This is how you just see the draft post on your Tumblr application. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable Tumblr content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful and also a beautiful day.